Welcome to PaidToday, how to add an opportunity on a contact. So we're going to go ahead and open up our contacts here. Let's choose the one that we want, and we're going to use New, View, and then we're going to go ahead and click Opportunities tab, and then we're going to go ahead and add an opportunity. So this is new. I just found out about this opportunity with this prospect, and it's going to be worth about $2,000, and we're going to describe the opportunity that exists. And we'll go ahead and click OK. And then we can see that we have a new opportunity, and the phase is new, and there's a description, the amount, modified. And then we can also view and make edits as well. And then if we go over to our CRM and we click on opportunities, we can see that our new opportunity is here as well. And then if we check the CRM main dashboard, we can also see the opportunity value of all opportunities across all prospects, leads, and customers. And so that we can kind of get an idea of where we're headed and who's converting as we update these contact statuses as well.